Bafowethu kwenzakalani ngomfana kagogo bafowethu? What is happening uyanela Mphuthuma? Bafowethu ayikho into enje. Mina sengicabanga ukuthi amabhadi bafowethu. There is no way. Uyanela Mphuthuma could have gotten himself a hat-trick namhlanje. But bafowethu, he failed to take those opportunities. Coach Abdeslam Matu, I heard his post-match interview. And uyasho ukuthi bafowethu, his players, they need to start waking up. You know what I'm saying? And when you saw lama chances kaYanele Mphuthuma bafowethu, you cannot really blame the coach, man. You cannot blame him bafowethu. I don't want to be overly critical go Yanele Mphuthuma because bafowethu, they are players as well, right? But if you're gonna miss chances like that bafowethu, and your team drops 2 valuable points, it's always going to come back to the opportunities that Yanele Mphuthuma got. And I saw him going out of it ukuthi he felt sorry for himself. Ngathi uzowaphakamisa nezandla acela uxolo. I think he was talking to the Orlando Pirates faithful. But bafowethu, he really needs to get a goal for him to get that confidence. If Pedersen comes through and he scores goals, I think it's chai bafowethu for Yanele Mphuthuma. It's really chai bafowethu, like angazi bafowethu. But hey, the guy continues to misfire for you Orlando Pirates bafowethu. Salute.
Orlando Pirates had 48 chances in this game. They only took 1 in the 6th minute. Because you know them, from On Your Marks Football, they sit here from kickoff. Mphuthuma, my brother. Mphuthuma, you need to go to Moria straight. Go to Moria. They hit you with that water from Moria. Maybe something can happen. And Mphuthuma missed chances. There was one break he missed. The other chance hit the post. Mphuthuma, if luck's not on your side, it's not on your side. But watch him in the derby. He'll probably score. Amazulu fighting back, eventually getting a penalty. Sibilibili is too fast for his own feet. Sibilibili, you saw it, running across players too fast for his own feet. He cannot keep himself up, and that's how Amazulu scored 1-1 equalizer. But that tackle on Sishenduli, I hope he have a speedy recovery. The ref, I don't know how the ref just gave a yellow. That was a straight red card. The guy stood from his knee up until his ankle, scraping down. So Sishenduli's first match back, first match gone. But yeah, I'm not gonna laugh at Pirates, because last time I laughed at them last season for losing the first 2 games, people took 3 trophies. 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm not laughing at them this time. I'll just say well played to Amazulu. Amazulu also had chances, actually thinking about it. Just couldn't punish as well. But not as many as Pirates. But well played Amazulu, because they were also sitting here at certain stages against Pirates, So unlucky Amazulu. But I guess it was a decent game, draw. Entertaining draw, actually, for once.
You are sending Dule to an injury again, the same way. After he spent an entire season not playing football, it's not fair. It's not fair, Shem. Ngwenya could have done better than Angela game. It just breaks my heart, bruh. Unduli stayed an entire season after being signed by Orlando Pirates, not playing because he was injured by Udion. This is his first game, right? Because he didn't play against Milford. Did he play this weekend? I don't think so. This is literally his first league game. You are sending him back to the hospital. I am afraid to that should have been a red card. But even receiving a red card, what does it do for Unduli, who needs to go back to an injury again? That was a very, very bad tackle. Orlando Pirates 1, Amazulu 1. Let's start from the lineup, from the Orlando Pirates side, because Amazulu, from this weekend, the noticeable changes is the introduction of Ulokuza Umtetwa in the place of Ulokuza Ellen from Isquadisa this past weekend, but everyone else is still the same from the last game, Amazulu. For Orlando Pirates, I think for me, I assumed Uhoto is the obvious choice for me. Regardless of the game that Undaba had last weekend, my assumption is that Uhoto is a starter. In any case, In my team, Uhoto starts ahead of Undab, regardless of the game. Ndaba had Hoto starts ahead of Undab, right? It was a good decision made to rest to Apolis. Even from the last games that the Orlando Pirates played. For me, I said put him on the stands, if it needs to be. Give the boy some rest. So up front, I wasn't surprised. I was excited to see Ulungu behind Usibelebele until the game started. Disappointed in the game. Sometimes I question how Uwadu sees the game, right? Because in the first half, there were glimpses of an Orlando Pirates that I know, the Orlando Pirates that we saw win the league. I was very impressed with the type of football that they played in the first half. Having a basic midfield, because I believe that is what works for Orlando Pirates, and number 6 and number 8 and number 10. Balling. I saw Orlando Pirates balling in the midfield. I saw combination play. I saw Dancing dropping back. I saw Tito connecting with the forwards. I saw Unduli cleaning up. I saw proper football being played in the midfield by Orlando Pirates. But when I always, for some reason, knew Orlando Pirates, if they concede in open play, they were always going to concede from their left, from Undab. Undab, for me, I'm still trying to figure out what is his strength. Is his strength defensively or up front? Because he was losing balls in the first half, just losing possession for fun. My assumption was that he wasn't even going to play in second half, because for me, he was the weakest link in that Orlando Pirates side. For me, Udansin no Moremi continue to be the most impressive Orlando Pirates players. The reason I will always love Utepang Moremi is he would leave his heart on the field of play, and that's what I was looking for from Ulungu. But Ubezonga uzongelani. Ulungu yazonga. It's like he forgot how to play football. Yes, you have accurate crosses, but play football, my guy. Lungu, play football. Take on defenders. You are literally playing as a winger. Don't play back passes as a winger. Cross but play the ball when the ball is being played to you. Don't be lazy to take on defenders. Combine, run when you need to run. Chase after the ball. Don't let the ball go out on your watch. When it comes to substitutions, I was going to take out Lungu, I was going to take out Ndaba, I was going to take out Mbuthuma. Do I need to say more on Mbuthuma?
Oh.
First of all, the look that I saw when the game ended, Umoremi Shais Fuben Mbuthuma, I was like, this boy's going to go to depression. Mbuthuma as a human being, he needs to be protected. Angazi Uwadu, what is his plan? But that boy is going to go to depression. Wasted a lot of chances, the Orlando Pirates. In fact, they deserved to lose this game so that Uwadu could understand what is wrong.
Andikholelwa ke le iChiefs winile thina sadlala idraw. Andikholelwa le iChiefs wina ngo-2-0. Andikholelwa mna le. Andikholelwa le. Iphi kanti le Chiefs ibidlala neGolden Arrows? Utheni ngokuba buya benje? Andikholelwa mna le. Futhi ungafika uba abantu beChiefs ndiyabazi mna, ndiyabazi abantu beChiefs, ndiyabazi abapholanga abantu beChiefs. Ungafika uba kukhona ubuthakathi obenzekileyo. Ungafika uba lathunile zii-results zethu bona ngaba abadlala idraw. Nyani ungafika uthi njalo. Andikholelwa mna, lathunile ngowethu lowa, bona badlale idraw. Kabi ukhona ubuthakathi obenzekileyo. Andikholelwa mna lethu. Ndiyabazi mna abantu beChiefs bathwele, baziwa ndim, ndiyabazi mna.
Hey bafowethu, ngiyakubona wegame. Ngiyakubona wegame bafowethu. Hawu. Kodwa ngomgqilazi ogqilazi igqile igqimuze madoda. Ngiyakhala mfethu ngale ndoda. Yabona mfethu makuthiwa umuntu unamanzi amnyama mfethu kusuke kushiwo into enje. Asithembe nje mfethu i-ankle sprain kuphela mfethu liyana. Yabona wena nokudlala iwhite nje mfethu ibhola ngilazi kahle. Yabona uma iwhite nje kubanda kunemvula iground linje ya. Yo. Mfethu ngumgqilazi bafowethu. Ebuya nje mfowethu, ebuya nje umjitha kade ekhala kangaka simbuka kwi-Bucks camp mfowethu, ebuya nje. ekhaya lethi mfethu la kwangathi sekuyalunga khona mfethu wavela imali efika nje kwePirates and a good start mfethu efika kwePirates walimala mfethu bekhala umjita wahamba ngeinduku isizini yonke mfethu wangadlala mfethu ngenxa yenjalo uyabuya manje first start mfethu of this season useyalimala mfethu. That was a straight red card mfethu. That challenge was too late and ibiphezulu kakhulu ibingekho phansi because ukuba ibiphansi lo muntu bezomgxoba unyawo hayi ukuthi avela amgxobe umlenze straight kanje uzotsheke ngale yandlela mfethu umgqilazi igqila madoda hey mfethu ngathi angalulama nje. I hope it's only an ankle sprain mfethu. I hope it's only an ankle sprain. Injury engadingi ukuthi aye kuma lokhuzana kuma surgery. And yazi mawibuka mfethu land it's like uphukile mfethu indlela ebuya ngayo liyathekela. But i-ankle flexible bafethu let's hope akaphukanga. But mfethu by the looks of that injury that was a scary tackle. That was a scary straight red card tackle that one. Yo ngiyayibona mfethu game ngiyabona nje imoya mfethu yabadlali vele yahlukumezeka lapha because they know ukuthi what is been through. Imoya yabadlali nje vele yahlukumezeka lapha and igame yavele yahlakazeka mfethu salahla icontrol center kwangena ama inexperienced players angajwayele nokudlala ndawonye kwayiwona kufanele abe responsible ukuthi ahlanganisile ukuzana ishape neformation yesisu laphana. Yabo and ulokhuzana umokobodi noma ubani he doesn't have a sense of agency. It's like he's playing alone mfethu lapha center. He will make too many mistakes if ezodlala ngale yandlela leyana. Yabona nje bafethu umoya wamawukho kahle uphansi kakhulu yabo and bafethu yabona nje angifuni ukuphawula kakhulu ngegame because manje into engishayisa ivideo mina ulokhuzana umgqilazi madoda ugqilazi iqhile iqhamuza usihle nduli iyona into enza ukuthi ngishaya ivideo namhlanje bengingafuni nje ukuphawula ngegame kahle because manje akusizi kuloko siphawula ngento eyodwa njalo sikhala ngento eyodwa njalo sikhala ngento eyodwa yabo kodwa manje kubeni bekhombisa futhi laba abaphezulu ukuthi cha izikhalo zethu abazizwa noma kuthiwa bayaziza futhi bayasitshengisa ukuthi babaphethe bazofaka nombani abafuna ukumfaka yabo. Kodwa mfethu yabona la mjita ka number 9 uma ungafika umbuze nayo mfethu umbuze nayo ukuthi do you think you deserve to be in that starting 11 for Orlando Pirates uzokutshela naye ukuthi cha yabona manje senginikiwe ithuba ngihlulekile. Ukutshela ngibonile abalandeli sebekhuzana abanye bevuka nje bovu manje sabekhathele mfethu patience bayiluza abantu meke bahlala isikhathi eside belokho benzelwe into eyodwa bayiluza patience abantu and bazomjikela into ezokwenzeka. Ngijabulile nje mangibabona besakwazi ukubakhuzana bodwa kuthiwa hayi bafethu ehlisana imoya. Ngijabulile mangibona le nto leya umunye wabalandeli ekhuza abanye bese bevuka nje bovu laphana basebekhuza kodwa ke mfethu siyalimala ekugcineni siyalimala nje ekugcineni iqiniso lihle siyalimala ekugcineni bafethu engeke singakhala futhi uma silimala because ukudliwa noma ukudraw kwePirates akulimaza abadlali kuphela yabo. At least abadlali bayakwazi ukulwa egroundini uma ukuthi banenkinga nokuthi bayaluza thina sikwazi ukulwa egroundini so khuluma khona kanje yabo. So nje bafethu siyalimala mfethu kodwa ngomgqilazi bafethu ngikubona konke mfethu umjithe buya ku-injury and worst part ukuthi iminyaka mfethu iyahamba yamshiya. I think ukuthi kuma-30 zakhe manje nayo umgqilazi yabona mfethu ishwa hayi
sanibona bafethu uvana lo yazi le game ade dlala namhlanje I'm not even mad kule game ade sizibuka namhlanje yabo. Orlando Pirates they are all I feel like in front of goal we are very and we were very unfortunate in a game like this. I don't wanna lie, Butsuma did his all. Butsuma today he showed ukuthi umjida he is hungry. He really made sure but his chances wabonile ama chances awatholile uMbutsuma namhlanje yabo bevimbele ugoalkeeper ashaya ibhali. I think it's not about ukuthi umjida akwazi ukora yabo. He did his best umjida but it's just that I don't know maybe mhlawumbe udinga abaphansi indaba yakhe iyelo nje emsamo zanyu kuyohlinzwa something. I heard some people talking about that. Mjito unayo confidence. Yabo angifuni njalo meshwe mfethu azama ukuthi abeke ikhanda phansi like ajape. He's a very good striker. It's just that he was very unfortunate in a game like this. I mean, I still believe in Mbuthuma. He can still show up. Yabo, you saw namhlanje ukuthi he was very hungry. Other than that, the boys did very well. I wouldn't do a video nje much because yabo esebusuku ngila eThekwini and stuff. What else? Dancing with Lumchita lo Undule Sweeney, they were very solid, which is something that I wanted to take with number 6 and number 8. They were very good. It is a pity that we lost Unduli, and that the last time that we lost Unduli was here in Durban. La wathola khona injury. And Liana beg mina ke ngokubona kwami bekuyi red card. That was a very dangerous tackle that was done by Ungwenya. That was a very dangerous tackle. The referee should have given him a red card, not even a yellow. It's just a straight red. So it was a red card in my books. Maybe when you can tell me in the comments, but in my books that was a red card. But other than that, we saw Moremi today. Moremi was very good with Undaba on that left hand side. They were very good. It's just that on the right hand side we saw Sibelebele. Sibelebele wasn't that effective with Ulungu. I don't know. Maybe they don't click. Maybe mhlawumbe basasana kuqala because you saw ukuthi ke ubengabuyi kakhulu Ulungu azosiza lapha emuva azomaka. Yabo, you saw Sibelebele creating a very silly mistake. I don't know, maybe ke Sibelebele slipped there causing a free kick. Yabo, kuze kulimala yena ke lo mdlali lo wawe ebuksini bathola penalty. Yabo, so it was a very good game on my side. The team abangenile ozuna police ukuthi bazoyishintsha game. I didn't see much of them. Even Khositsile. Khositsile is a very good player, but his end product, I don't see end product. Usadinga leza itrika leziana zase Ireland zomkhombisa ukuthi ke end product yakhe kumele isizwe kanjani. Yena he's a good player, but his end product is questionable. You see, so yeah, you can tell me when I go kwakho simbonela mhlanje uMokoboti after being subbed. Ukuphuma kwambatha abokuphuma kwaNduli wangena uMokoboti. Mokoboti tried to do his best. It was very good. It's just that he's a number 8, same as Umchita lo. So yeah, the game, it was good. I don't know. You can tell me in the comments when I go kwakho uyibone kanjani. It's a pity that we dropped points.
Okay, bafethu, and that's it for a video yanamhlanje. AmaZulu versus Orlando Pirates. Hayi bafethu, yabona angifuni ukuthi nami bengathi I'm coming for uMbuthuma because wonke umuntu namhlanje mfethu uzona uMbuthuma's ass. Namhlanje wonke umuntu mfethu ukhuluma ngoMbuthuma, and you can't blame people for being frustrated at uMbuthuma. Look at the chances awathole namhlanje and he couldn't convert even A1, dog. Even A1, you couldn't convert even A1 chance, bro. Then mase sikhola out kuzoba ngathi thina singama plastic fans, we support club because mfethu umuntu mengageja time and time again kumele sithini kanti mfethu. And I've always said this mfethu ukuthi mina I don't care mfethu nge-striker mfethu esikwazi ukhona ukudlala with ama midfielders don't ama defender. I don't care about the type of striker, bro. Ngifuna i-striker esifana noHaaland noShalulile, bro. Umuntu engena first touch, umuntu ongathi uyinkomonyana, but engazi ukuthi once ibhola afika kuyena eseboxini, it's a goal, dog. It's a goal. Cause ya uMbuthuma mfethu mnandi bese nge-link up play, sure uyakwazi ukwenza lento leyo. You've never seen uHaaland drop back to Haaland is going to link up. No, Haaland is there just scoring goals, bro. And that's what we need. Bakhona uTito mfethu bazocreate, bakhona opolice bazocreate. Why wena kumele zina uzo link up, dog? Because I sees lento leyo. I sees ngomahopa, I sees ngoMbuthuma, dog. Mina mfethu abona uMbuthuma mfethu ngikhathele uMbuthuma mfethu ngikhathele. I don't care if you guys call me plastic fan or whatever right now. uMbuthuma has been given ithuba time and time again. Angazi ukuthi into engaka mfethu ayenzayo ejimini ahluleka ukuyenza egamini. What is it lethi mfethu umjida mfethu does ejimini lenza ukuthi ucoach mfethu amthembe kangaka amfake mfethu time and time again, but still mfethu umjida mfethu aka deliver next. So manje mfethu like nonto mayicabanga kahle, last season if it wasn't for our police uRile noTito, we were not going to win the league mfethu. And into engifrustratayo ukuthi uTito kept passing the ball to uMbuthuma, Mbuthuma kept missing. Then uzozwa abantu bethini uTito uyadlisa. uTito kumele yo uMbuthuma mfethu kufika la even abantu kade bemthanda bemsupporta sekuzofika la like nabo mfethu bakhathala khona because we can't keep defending umjida and he keeps doing in day one, and that is uGetch. Yabona lamagoli awaGetch namhlanje mfethu ayangicasula-ke wona because leli mfethu yo azima mfethu. Thank you for tuning in. Let me see 11:38. Okay, 11:38 isikhathi, so I think ngizomele ngenze ivideo ye-Chiefs even though kubuhlungu mfethu because i-Chiefs iwinile. I'll have to do it. So but thank you for tuning in and thank you for subscribing and commenting, and yeah, let's take this channel to 5K subscribers. You're sitting on 3K right now. Come on, let's take it to 5K bafethu. Ngiyabonga.